doing out there today in YouTube land? It's your girl showing up, coming to you with a quick video. I want to talk about this hair. I hope you like it. I saw a video months ago and I did buy this hair. Hey, nice music in the background. Anyway, I wanted to talk about this hair, so if you're interested, stay tuned, and you know how I like to do it. Hey, I see you still there. Yeah. Down with me, girls. I'm kind of feeling this hair. It's this Caribbean water wave, natural, like soft texture hair. Let me turn this down just a little bit. Betcha. Just having a little fun with you. Anyway, so this is the Caribbean 2-in-1 bonus pack. I actually got 4 packs of this hair, but I only needed, she only used 3 packs to install, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half of those bundles. That's what it took to get this voluptuous full hair. I really like it. It's easy to manage. It does just like the other one. It can be flat and then it just kind of blows up a little bit. I only use the braid spray. I only use the braid spray sheen in order to give it a little bit of shine, because it is there's no shine to it at all. And so as you can see, there is really no shine to it, but it looks really nice and natural. It's very soft. It can be washed. I saw another video of someone had the same hair, and you can put it up in like all kinds of styles. I really like the way the girl did my hair. I just think it's really beautiful. What do you think? It was $9.99 a pack, by the way. Again, this color is 1B30. It can be washed. I said that already. This is only my 3rd day with this install, but I can already tell you it's very low maintenance. So enough of that. So it's actually low maintenance, and it's Kanekoline hair fiber. So you're not borrowing anyone's hair. It's just fiber. It just looks real. I'm not sure how many. I haven't counted the cornrows across, but I like it because when I part it, no matter how I part it, it's very full. You know, it's very full. Really, I just like it. Okay, so oh, it's 4A-BOHEMIAN soft water 10-inch. What else can I tell you about this hair that you would want to know? Okay, it's of course longer than 10-inch, but when you pull it, it doesn't easy tangle. I mean, it does that, but you can just cut that off, snippets. You would never know you lost it or anything. It's false Remy fiber. Like I said, I only use 5 bundles. I know there's something else that's missing. I just wanted to be really brief for this hair, but I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna keep it in for about a month and a week, most likely. How much do you pay for your installs? Braid installs. I know some people charge $80, some people charge $100. That's what I pay for this. And then there are those who charge $150. My question is why? When the hair don't cost that much and you're only corn rolling my hair back, which takes you about 20 to 30 minutes to coin roll, then it takes you about 45 minutes to maybe an hour to crochet it in, and you want to charge $150. I do not get that whole process. So how are you girls doing? Did you take your iron tablets? I took mine. I want to tell you guys my testimony. That's what it's all about. You know, that's what this channel is about. It's called Show Enough. Did you know? And I haven't been asking you, do you know anything? And I apologize for that. So, thank you to all of my subscribers. This is unedited. I haven't thought of everything I was going to say, so I thought I better just come on here because I was feeling like rambling and talking to you. So I just came from choir rehearsal. Thank you to all of my subscribers. I really appreciate you taking the time and thinking, hey, she's worth investing a moment to watch her videos. Honey, would you turn that TV down? It's all up in my business. I think the more you play with this hair, the bigger it'll get. So you might want to, if you like voluptuous, keep it low. Do you know what the braid sheen is? Doesn't cost that much, but this is all I needed to apply in this hair. Turn around so you can see the back. To do anything with it. Hey girls. So, I really don't have a whole lot of content tonight. And I apologize for that because I am at a loss. So I'm probably going to delete this video. So, that's it. Talk to you later.